Listen to Dominion World Today with God's servant Dr. Maxwell A. Hagen.
The gospel is a witness
L'évangile est un témoignage
that God can save people.
que Dieu peut encore sauver des
The
gens.
gospel is the witness
La bonne nouvelle est un témoignage
that heaven is real
que lorsque vous lisez
and hell is real.
que l'enfer
The
est un
gospel is a
réel.
witness.
His passion for ministry and soul winning has transformed many lives through the working of miracles, signs, and wonders.
The gospel is the proof
L'évangile est une preuve
of God's love for us.
de l'amour de Dieu pour
It
nous.
shall be preached.
Elle sera prêchée.
Tell somebody it shall be preached.
Dites à quelqu'un, elle sera prêchée.
Now, today's message.
Hello, welcome to MBS, and this is Wisdom. Philippians chapter 4 and the verse 8. Finally, brethren, whatsoever things are true, whatsoever things are honest, whatsoever things are just, whatsoever things are pure, whatsoever things are lovely, whatsoever things are of good report, if there be any virtue, and if there be any praise, think of these things. You see, you must have an attitude that celebrates good things. You must have an attitude that speaks of better things. You must have an attitude that you will acknowledge that which is good and you will celebrate it. Everything that we do in this world must be done for the betterment of others. But you see, when we allow the challenges of this life, the pains we've been through, the rejections we've been through to blind us, we may never see that which is good in others. But you see, as a child of God, it is very important for you to accept and make a personal decision to look for the good that is in others. Look for the best that is in others and celebrate them. Look for things that are true in others. Look for the things that are honest in others. Look for the things that are just in others. Look for the things that are pure in others. Look for the things that are lovely in the lives of people. Look for the things that are of good report in the life of people, and avoid being negative in life. You see, if you want to speak negative about people, every day you have something to say, because human beings are not perfect by our nature of sin. But you see, if you can see the good in others, you can dwell in the same workplace regardless of the individual differences. You can be in the same home, you can be in the same city, you can be in the same country, and there will be peace. Why? Because when you can see the good in others, you can work with them. But if you can always look at the other side and you always look at the bad aspect of people, you may never ever be able to work with them or to be around them. Today, I encourage you in the name of the Lord, be at peace in your heart and learn to celebrate that which is good. Learn to endorse that which is good. Learn to remove the statement like, I am doing this and this and this and this, but he is good, but he is like this, but. Sometimes remove the but and praise people. Because you see, I can tell you honestly, by my experience in ministry, the things I have seen dealing with people of different kinds, I can tell you that when you praise people, when you remember the good people do, you will always get the best out of them. Do not look down on people because of their so-called weakness. If you have something to do, help them. That is why you were able to discover, so you can be a blessing to them. So God is telling you today, it is very important that you celebrate that which is good. It is very important that you throw away things that are always blinding you from seeing the best in others. I can tell you something. All the people God used in scripture and God is using today, including me and yourself, we are not all perfect people. He chose us not because we were perfect. He chose us because he loved us. He planned the best for us because he loved us. So today I encourage you, never throw away God's best in your heart, and that is seeing good in people. If you can see good in the lives of others, others will also see good in your life. But if your heart and your attitude is always critical and you are always looking for the bad in others, you may never get any compliment of the good that you do. I know that in Africa most people love to speak negative, because to them Bringing people down is some people's profession. But I'm telling you today, avoid those things and speak good about people. Praise people. If we can speak good about people, we can live a happy life and we will have a happy world. Why? Because everybody wants to be encouraged. Be an encourager. Be someone who brings peace and joy in the lives of people, not pain and sorrow. May the Lord bless you. Please keep listening to Metro FM 90.5. There are a lot of good things coming your way right from this place. God bless you and shalom.
Holy words, long preserved.
Thank you for listening to Dominion Well. You can fellowship with us at the Dominion City, Yahima Chrome, every Sunday, 7 a.m. and 9 a.m. You can also call us on the numbers 020-7428-282 or 024-5729-707. God richly bless you. It is time to serve the Lord.